Okay, me all tanan yun. Nga diin, maigsoon makakita nga kita nga mga anak sa Diyos nagamatinudanon. Faithful in every responsibility of our Christian life. So a Christian life is not an easy because always there is my son a work to do. And as what I said, no, the work that we have, this is the greatest work of all. So as I continue this message tonight, I hope we are not only a good listeners, but a good doers of the word. Because if you are a good doer of the word, God promises us a blessing, beyond measure. Because when God bless us, He will going to bless us with all